Hello, this is Kathy Johnson, the Artistic Education Director for the new McCree Theatre. Welcome to the 2022 Virtual Arts Presentations. Witness the artwork slideshow and the Poet Laureate Semaj Brown, Pathways of Preparation for Writers, which is a 5-part series. This program is funded in part or in whole by the Genesee County Arts Education and Cultural Enrichment Millage, your tax dollars at work.
Hello, I am Samaya Anthony. I work here at Flint Genesee Golf Course in the Recreation Department, and here in our art class, we chose to bring awareness of the AIDS and HIV. And these are some of the projects that some of our students and staff chose to work on.
Pathways of Preparation. Entering the Wonderful World of Words by Semaj Brown, Flint, Michigan's inaugural Poet Laureate. Once upon a time. Oh, I said once upon a time. Well, actually, there was no once, and there was no a time. There were many, many, many times. In fact, every moment of every second, every hour of the day, all over the world, it happens. It happens. What happens? Whether you are in Nairobi, Kenya, or Poland, or Sri Lanka, or Guatemala, or right here in Flint, Michigan, it happens. Every second of every moment, a seed grows into a tree. That's right. That is how I grew into me. Well, I mean how I grew from a little girl into an adult woman. You have the same story. You are growing into a brilliant adult being. No, not a bean, as in a lima bean, or kidney bean, or navy bean, like your grandmother might make for soup. No, but a being, an adult human being. And on that path of becoming a tree or an adult human being, steps are taken. Paths of preparation are followed. With every step, you are preparing or readying yourself. Ready, set, go! Preparing yourself to be a tree. No, not a tree, silly, but an adult human being. Isn't it amazing that no one has the exact same path? We all have different steps we take to get to the same place. No tree grows in the same manner. Some trees grow straight, others are crooked. Some are tall, and some are short, with wide canopy. Others have sparse leaves and differing colors. But what the trees have in common is that trees all grow from a seed into a tree, like we all grow from a baby into an adult human being. What helps the tree to grow strong? Can you name some things a tree might need to grow? Well, yes, of course. Very good. Water. Yes, tree needs water, soil or earth. And in the soil, there are nutrients. Nutrients give you energy. Yes, very good answers. All great answers. Trees need sunshine too. And trees need carbon dioxide. And where do trees get their carbon dioxide from? That's right, from us. From humans and other animals who breathe out carbon dioxide, and trees breathe them in. So humans and trees depend on one another to live. All of those things we just mentioned, water, soil, nutrients, carbon dioxide, the sun, are all things the seed needs to become a strong, healthy tree. Now that we have discussed what a tree might need to grow strong, what might you need to excel in a career centered in the wonderful world of words? And what are the professions that are centered in the wonderful world of words? Have you heard of a writer? Yes. So writers are centered in the wonderful world of words, and there are all types of writers. Those that write books, well, we call them authors, don't we? You've heard of the word author. And then some writers are journalists. It's a particular type of writing. Journalists used to write in newspapers, and sometimes you see them on television, on the news. And some writers are researchers. They find out information, important information about all types of subjects, about trees and the environment, about medicine. Oh, you can be a researcher about almost anything. And then there are playwrights who write plays, theater. And what about professors of English? Oftentimes, they are writers as well. Then there are editors who edit books and articles. And then what about a screenwriter? Who wrote the movie The Black Panther? Do you remember the movie The Black Panther? Somebody had to write that. Someone had to write that movie The Black Panther. And guess what? Someone had to write that comic book too. So are you going to be a comic book writer as well? How did they start? How did those writers start? They started just as a tree grows, with strong roots, a foundation. What grows first on a tree? You guessed it, the roots. And why do roots grow first? Because the roots hold the tree up. When the wind blows, when there's a storm, the tree will be standing. Just as you grow from a child into an adult, if you have strong roots, when difficult times happen and when challenges come your way, you will not be blown over like a tree without roots. Today, I am going to share with you my root readiness story. My root story is my foundation. Your root story will be your foundation. It is my path of preparation, and you will have a path of preparation as well. Along the way, I will stop and ask you questions while directing you to the water, the soil, the nutrients, the carbon dioxide, and the sunshine that provided strong roots for me to grow. Remember, a tree grows many ways, and my root story is just one of many. Let's identify how you can ready your roots and follow your path of preparation to success in the wonderful world of words.